Hey guys, it's Chris here, and listen to this. Do you hear that buzzing? It's like dunks, dunk, zzz, zzz. So I got a new subwoofer, and it's the Monoprice 12-inch subwoofer. It comes at $95 when it's on sale, so it's a budget subwoofer, and when it came to me, it sounded a little bit weird and I heard a lot of buzzing on those hard basses, bass thumps. So this is a quick video on how to fix that. I noticed that I think just from the sound of it, it sounded like a wire hitting against the plastic. So I unscrewed the speaker with music playing. You can see that a subwoofer is practically a box with a hole, some insulation, and another bigger speaker compared to bookshelf speakers that have smaller speakers. Anyways, I found the wire. It was hitting up against this sewage plumbing Mario style tube. So I got some blue tape, and blue tape is my favorite because it sticks really well. Ripped off a piece and taped the wire up against the back of the subwoofer. I then screwed on the speaker back onto the housing and no more buzzing. So that's just a quick video on what could happen when you receive a new subwoofer. You think it's broken, it has a buzzing noise, but you could say it's broken and return it and get an exchange, or you could open it up and try to fix it yourself. Hope this helped you guys. Let me know if you liked the video. If not, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe for future content. Bye guys.